Hello! Happy Thursday! It's Thankful Thursday, and I'm thankful for you tuning in. I've been challenging myself to go live more often, even if it's just to show you the pool or the kids or something. So, smash that like button when you're popping on. Tell me what you're thankful for today. And I posted in my stories a little poll about crystals, who uses them, who wants to use them. I love affirmations and like horoscopes and all of that kind of stuff. I don't really talk about it a lot, but people have been talking about crystals and I've been wanting to do them. So I ordered some. Live by the sun, love by the moon. I'm going to unbox these with you and show you and tell you what crystals that I got. So I'm really excited. It came in this cute little box. And if you do crystals, what is your favorite one? Like, I am just starting out and I just think it would be fun to have crystals, not only like for anxiety, depression, healing, but like energy too, and prosperity and manifestation and like that kind of stuff. Like, I kind of just dabble in that with being a stay-at-home mom and homeschooling. And sports, we just I feel like I'm going a mile a minute, and I have a set morning routine. I wake up, I take my Thrive, I shower and listen to a podcast before I dive into all the stuff with the kiddos and the homeschooling and being a mom taxi. And I just thought that this might be something that I could do maybe in like the evening. I don't know. I know school's winding down, but okay. The crystals I got. Let's open them, unbox them. I know I'm going to have to like read what they are. So black tourmaline. I got a piece of black tourmaline. It is used for protection, purification, and grounding. So it gives you, this little book is really cool. It gives you like an affirmation you can say with it. It says, I am safe and protected at all times. It banishes bad vibes. So that's the very first one I got. That's really cool. Some of them are polished and some of them are rough. I was kind of looking at like, do you do rough stones? Do you do tumbled stones? Some people think that a tumbled stone, which is as smooth, it can, you know, like hurt the energy because it's being tumbled for so long, versus like a rough stone, which is like this in its fine element. I know I have to cleanse these. I know I have to like re-energize them, like put them in the sun, put them in the moon, put them in the salt water. So I definitely am going to be like diving into which ones can go in the sunlight and which ones can go in the moonlight. And they're like talking about like, don't put ones by your bed because of their energy. All the things, right? Okay, I believe this is red jasper. I think this is red jasper. Doesn't really look red. But it is, like when I put it, let's see, up against something clear, it is red, brownish red. So this is used for endurance, strength, vitality, and balance. Affirmation would be, I have the courage to overcome any obstacles. It would be rise to the challenge with red jasper. It's really smooth. So I kind of like that you can like, I don't know, hold it in your thumb, have it in your pocket. This one says, start your day with a burst of energy by using red jasper in your morning ritual or meditation. So this is probably definitely one I would not want by my bed. What is next? Carnelian. Carnelian, that's a smaller one. This is also a tumbled rock. Carnelian is used for creativity, motivation, confidence, and pleasure. Affirmation would be, I can accomplish anything when I connect to my inner fire. I definitely love affirmations. I love positive words. Like, I think that's my love language. So it says, ignite creativity with carnelian. Like an open flame, the bright orange color of carnelian surges with fire. That's really cool. Next, I got a citrine point. Citrine. I think this is citrine because it kind of has like a little yellowish at the top. This must be... Right now I'm going over my new crystals I got. So let me know if you do crystals and what your favorite crystal is. This is used for abundance, happiness, positivity, and success. Affirmation to use with this is, I am a radiant beacon of abundance. That's nice. So place this crystal in your workspace, wallet, or wherever you want to generate money to attract good fortune or during a launch of a project. I kind of like the shape of it. Isn't that cool? Pyrite. Oh, we see this a lot. Pyrite is like fool's gold, right? Go for the gold with pyrite. Yep. Okay, so this is used for willpower, confidence, prosperity, and manifestation. Affirmation is, I am manifesting the life of my dreams. Tip, meditate in the sun. Use sunscreen with this crystal to recharge energy levels and cast doubt aside. The light that shines above is just as powerful as the light within. Oh, it's dirty though. I wonder if that means I need to cleanse it.
Ooh,
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah. I like this one.
Which one? Oh, that one's one of my favorites too.
It's blue on the top.
Okay, green aventurine. Green aventurine. Aventurine. This is a raw stone. Used for opportunity, optimism, growth, and good fortune, which is cool because green is like my favorite color. Green and orange are my favorite colors. Affirmation, I'm a beautiful work in progress. That's actually funny. Not funny, but like I have a letter board and it says that I am a beautiful work in progress. So, tip, write down a positive intention on a piece of paper and place this stone on top of it to support the growth. Keep it next to a house plant as a reminder to continuously care for it. Turn over a new leaf with green aventurine. Oh, that's cool. Even though it is a rough stone, it can be like rubbed, like a rubbing point, like a calming. What's next? Blue sodalite. This is a really pretty rock that when it is tumbled. Yoda Francis, you are not to be on the table, sir. You're gonna knock everything off. Okay, blue sodalite is used for communication, truth, harmony, and wisdom. Affirmation, my inner voice is a source of wisdom. Seek truth with blue sodalite. It says, tip, meditate with this stone over your throat to remove anything blocking your expression. Journal your thoughts immediately afterwards and reflect on what? Oh, wow. So blue sodalite is a truth-enhancing stone that imparts a logical, rational perspective to its user. That sounds really deep, y'all. Clarity of thought and honest expression comes easily with this stone as it promotes alignment with one's inner voice and wisdom. Call upon this stone to communicate with authenticity and find your purpose as you embark on a path of spiritual self-discovery. Wow, I felt like I needed to read the whole thing to you. Where the other ones I'm just kind of reading a little bit. This book has it gives you tips and what it's all about. So that's how I'm reading this. I promise I did not memorize everything about these stones. Okay, peacock ore. This is what Harper was talking about. This is her favorite. It has like a blue and a purple and a gold in there. It's like, it's really pretty. Okay, what do you use peacock ore? I didn't even know peacock ore was even like a crystal. So it's used for upliftment, positivity, gratitude, and encouragement. Its affirmation is, I find joy in every moment. Be present with peacock ore, referred to as a stone of happiness. The vibrant colors of the peacock ore exude a shining appreciation for life. Uplift your mood by meditating with peacock ore. I can see how it could be so uplifting because you see it and it's like so pretty with all the colors. That one's really pretty too. Okay, next, amethyst point. Amethyst point. It's not as purple as I thought maybe the amethyst might be, but it is still a purpley color. I should get like a flashlight. Should I get a flashlight, dude? Ha! Ha! Okay, maybe, here, we'll go back to the peacock ore. You can like see the colors of it, which is really cool. And then, what was the other one? The sodalite. Okay, I'm getting us sidetracked. Okay, the purple amethyst. It does have purple in it. Ha! Okay, amethyst point. Used for soothing, intuition, balance, and protection. Affirmation is, I trust my intuition to divinely guide me. It's follow your intuition with amethyst, a favorite among the crystal community. Amethyst is love for calming, grounding, and balancing. Tip, for peaceful sleep, meditate with amethyst before bed. Good to know. Hold this crystal over your forehead until all tension has melted away, then place it under your pillow or bedside to guard your dreams. Love that. Love that. Because sometimes at night, like, it's really hard to turn off your brain. I take a rest product with melatonin in it, and that's cool. Okay, couple more, I promise. Rose quartz. That must be this one. Oh, it does kind of have a little pinkish color to it. This is used for compassion, love, forgiveness, and self-acceptance. As affirmation is, my heart is open to receiving the love I desire. Open your heart with rose quartz, a staple of the crystal kingdom. Rose quartz is the universal stone of love and compassion. So place this stone over your heart. Envision a pink light. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so you can't really quite see that it's pink, but it is pink. I can kind of see it. This has nice soft edges, even though this is a rough stone also, but that's really cool. I only got 2 tumbled stones in this kit. 2 more left. Quartz point. So used for clarity, healing, focus, and cleansing. Its affirmation is, I am filled with light and my direction is clear. Cleanse with clear quartz. Known as the master healer, quartz is considered to be the most versatile of all stones. Not only does it have the ability to cleanse and align all 7 chakras, but it also amplifies the effects of other stones as well as any intentions. For these reasons, quartz can be used to attune to your higher self or whenever additional light, focus, and clarity are needed. I have a chakra bracelet, so I have that. I have a, what is the other one? Prosperity bracelet. Like I said, part of me has not shared this, and I feel like I maybe should, that I do this. And then last but not least, opalite moon. But I noticed that my moon actually broke, so I'm going to have to contact Miss, I think her name is Luna. Love by Luna is where these came from. Oh, it's so pretty, but it broke on me, my moon. So the opalite moon is used for self-expression, transitions, healing, and meditation. Its affirmation is, I'm attuned to the rhythm of the cosmos. It's said to be careful with the tips. It says, deepen meditation with opalite, subtle yet powerful. The cleansing energy of opalite removes energetic blockages while balancing the chakras, making it an excellent stone for attuning to higher states of consciousness. So I'm definitely going to want another one of these because it's broken. Is that a bad omen if my moon opalite is broken? I hope not. I mean, we're, like it said in the other one, we're like work in progress. So that was really cool to open those. Thank you. It says every crystal is unique and so is your magic. As you move forward in your crystal healing practice, be open to the lessons of the universe. Be gentle with your heart and always embrace the luminosity within. I definitely believe in the universe and energy and all of that. So super cool. I know I've repeated myself several times, but if you do crystals, let me know what crystals you use, which one's your favorite, all of that fun stuff. And I will definitely keep sharing with y'all, probably more in my stories, or if you see me rubbing crystals, you know what I'm up to. So anyways, thanks for watching. Have a blessed Thursday evening, and I will chat with you later. Bye guys.